If you love a good mystery, then you're in for a treat. There's something about the unknown that captures our imagination and keeps us on the edge of our seats. Whether it's a whodunit novel, an unsolved crime, or a strange phenomenon, mysteries have a way of drawing us in and making us want to know more. And today, we have a particularly intriguing mystery to delve into. But hate being left in the dark? We get it. The frustration of not having all the answers can be maddening. That's why we're here to shed some light on one of the most puzzling events in recent history. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of speculation and wonder, keep watching. Buckle up. This one's for you. We're about to take you on a ride through the top 20 theories surrounding the New Jersey drone mystery. Each theory is more fascinating than the last, and by the end, you might just have a theory of your own. Picture this. November 2024, New Jersey skies buzzing with drones. It was a sight to behold. The night sky was filled with the hum of these flying machines, creating a spectacle that had everyone talking. But then, something strange happened. But on Thanksgiving, radio silence. Just when everyone was expecting the drones to put on a show, they disappeared. It was as if they had vanished into thin air. No one knew where they had gone or why they had stopped flying. The sudden silence left everyone baffled and searching for answers. Here are the top 20 theories why the drones took a holiday break. 1. Secret government operation? Could it be that the government was conducting a covert operation and needed the skies clear of any civilian drones? It's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Governments have been known to carry out secret missions, and this could have been one of them. 1. Alien visitors needing some turkey? This theory might sound far-fetched, but who knows? Maybe extraterrestrial beings decided to visit Earth and wanted to experience a traditional Thanksgiving meal. The drones could have been grounded to avoid any interference with their arrival. 1. Hackers having Thanksgiving off? In today's digital age, hackers can have a significant impact on various systems, including drones. Perhaps the hackers who usually control these drones decided to take a break and enjoy the holiday, leading to the sudden disappearance of the drones. 1. Santa's early recon mission? With Christmas just around the corner, maybe Santa Claus was conducting an early reconnaissance mission to ensure everything was in place for his big night. The drones could have been part of his plan, and they were grounded to keep his mission a secret. 1. Thanksgiving truce among rival drone operators? It's possible that rival drone operators decided to call a truce for the holiday. They might have agreed to ground their drones and spend the day with their families, leading to the sudden silence in the skies. 1. Drones malfunctioning due to cranberry sauce? This theory might seem a bit humorous, but it's not entirely impossible. Maybe some drones malfunctioned due to interference from the cranberry sauce being served at Thanksgiving dinners. Stranger things have happened. 1. Pilots too busy watching the parade? The Thanksgiving Day parade is a big event, and it's possible that the drone pilots were too engrossed in watching it to operate their drones. They might have decided to take a break and enjoy the festivities. 1. Solar flares hitting pause? Solar flares can have a significant impact on electronic devices, including drones. Perhaps a solar flare caused a temporary disruption, leading to the sudden disappearance of the drones. 1. A massive turkey blocking signals. This theory might sound a bit outlandish, but who knows? Maybe a giant turkey somehow interfered with the drone signals, causing them to be grounded. It's a fun theory to consider. 1. Drones joining the feast? It's possible that the drones themselves decided to join in on the Thanksgiving feast. Maybe they were programmed to seek out food, and they found plenty of it during the holiday. 11. Power grid maintenance? Another plausible theory is that there was scheduled maintenance on the power grid, which affected the drone's ability to operate. 1. A test of emergency protocols? Perhaps the sudden disappearance of the drones was part of a test of emergency protocols. Authorities might have wanted to see how quickly they could respond to a potential threat, and grounding the drones was part of the exercise. 1. Aerial choreography for Christmas? With Christmas just around the corner, maybe the drones were being prepared for a special aerial light show. The operators could have been rehearsing for the big event, leading to the temporary silence in the skies. 1. Local ordinances banning flying gravy boats? It's possible that local authorities implemented a temporary ban on drones to prevent any potential accidents during the holiday. They might have been concerned about drones interfering with the festivities, leading to the sudden disappearance. 1. Pilots experiencing food comas? Thanksgiving is known for its delicious food, and it's possible that the drone pilots indulged a bit too much. They might have fallen into food comas, leaving their drones grounded. 16. Mysterious signal interference? Another theory is that there was some sort of mysterious signal interference that caused the drones to be grounded. It could have been a deliberate act or a random occurrence. 1. Drones uploading Thanksgiving selfies? In today's social media-driven world, it's possible that the drones were busy uploading Thanksgiving selfies. They might have been programmed to capture and share moments from the holiday, leading to the temporary silence in the skies. 1. Secret drone union strike? labor strikes are not uncommon, and it's possible that the drone operators decided to go on strike for better working conditions. This could have led to the sudden disappearance of the drones. 1. Pilots switching to VR Thanksgiving? With the rise of virtual reality, it's possible that the drone pilots decided to switch to a VR Thanksgiving experience. They might have been too engrossed in their virtual celebrations to operate their drones. 20. Just pure coincidence? Sometimes, things happen without any particular reason. It's possible that the sudden disappearance of the drones was just a pure coincidence, with no underlying cause. Drop your wildest theories in the comments. We want to hear from you. What do you think happened to the drones on that fateful Thanksgiving night? Do you have a theory that we haven't mentioned? Share your thoughts, and let's keep the conversation going. Stay curious, and keep those eyes on the skies. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and who knows what we'll discover next. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop seeking the truth.